Hello friends, I am Dr. Syed Khadiruddin Chishti and I am teaching physics to the BSc second year students. My today's topic is Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics. Now I will consider that there is a gas having n number of molecules and these molecules are enclosed in a volume V. Now we can distribute these molecules in number of ways and every group of molecule has different energy. For example, I am having the n molecules which is equal to sum of n1 plus n2 plus n3 and so on is constant. It means that n1 is a group of molecules, n2 is a group of molecules, the sum of all the molecules are constant. The energy of the group 1 n1 is E1, energy of E2 n2 is E2 and so on, and the total energy remain constant. Now the change in the number of molecules, that is delta Ni plus delta N2 plus delta N3, summation of delta Ni is equal to 0, and the total energy of the molecules of gas is constant, that is N1 E1 plus N2 E2 so on is constant, or U is equal to summation of Ni Ui is constant. Now delta U means change in energy, delta Ni into E1, delta N1 into E1, delta N2 into E2 and so on is constant, or it is equal to 0. So summation of E into delta Ni is 0, it is equation number 2. Now the number of ways in which these molecules can be arranged, that is W1 is equal to G1 into N raised to N1, G2 raised to N2, G3 raised to N3 and so on. Now the number of ways in which the N1, N2, N3 molecules are chosen out of N molecules. So I can write factorial N upon N1 factorial into N2 factorial N upon N1 factorial, N2 factorial into N3 factorial and so on. Now the number of ways in which the particles can be distributed among the possible energy level. So we can write W is equal to W1 into W2 or N factorial upon N1 factorial into N2 factorial and so on into G1 raised to N1, G2 raised to N2 and so on. It can be written as N factorial upon the product I varies from 1 to k summation of Ni factorial into the product summation I varies from 1 to k Gi raised to Ni. Let us call this equation of number 3. Now taking the logarithm of this equation, log of W, natural log is equal to log of N factorial plus log of summation of log of Ni times Gi minus the summation of log of Ni factorial. We know that log of Ni factorial can be written as N log N minus N. So the log of W can be written as N log N minus N for the first term. Second term as it is summation Ni log Gi minus for the third term I can write Ni log Ni minus summation of Ni. Now this N and summation Ni both are one and the same thing, get cancelled. Summation Ni means total number of the particles, so N will be cancelled. So here log of W will be equal to a summation of log Ni Gi, N log N plus summation of Ni log Gi minus summation of Ni log Ni. So now I will differentiate this equation. So I will take here first the differentiation of this term. This term is constant, so differentiation of this term will be 0. Now the differentiation of this term Ni log Ni will be equal to N minus Ni 1 by Ni delta Ni minus, I will use here the product formula, first term as it is differentiation of second plus second term as it is differentiation of first. So first term as it is differentiation of second plus second term as it is differentiation of first. Here delta Ni is 0. So I can write here this Ni get cancelled, this term will be 0 and you will get minus log Ni delta Ni plus summation of Gi log delta Ni is equal to 0. Now what I will do, I will multiply the equation 1 by minus alpha, so it will be minus alpha delta Ni, and I will multiply the equation 2 by minus beta, so it will be minus beta into summation E delta Ni, and I will add it into the equation number 5. So I will get here log Ni taking delta ni common, minus log ni plus log gi minus alpha minus beta e, delta ni is taken common. Now this delta ni will go to 0, summation will also be 0, so you will get here minus log ni plus log gi minus beta minus alpha minus beta e is equal to 0. Now I can write this as gi upon ni is equal to alpha plus beta e. Now taking the reciprocal, log of ni upon gi is equal to minus alpha plus beta e, or taking the exponential, ni upon gi is equal to minus e raised to power minus alpha plus beta e, or ni is equal to gi e raised to power minus alpha plus beta e. This distribution is called as the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. Thank you.